Hey guys, Christina here, and I am back for another episode of Girl, what does this have to do with books? The answer is nothing. It has nothing to do with books, but I have many interests, and so we are here today to talk about one of them, makeup. I got this little baby, it's backwards, but I got this in the mail, and I have been waiting to be able to film this video to open it so that I could unbox and all of that. And I got another package in the mail. I had to order online. And don't let this huge box fool you. Like, Target. Can we talk? Because this is not a sensible size box for what's in it. But we're gonna go ahead and just get into it. See what I mean about the size of this box compared to what was in it? So, okay, now that I got the boxes open, I can show you guys what was in them. I got the Tinted Moisturizer from the Lip Bar, who I've tried like some of their lip products before and really like them. I also got their brow pencil. It comes, it's a 2-in-1. It's a gel and a pencil. And then the first thing that I opened was this from Dose of Colors. It's Nyma Tang's, her collaboration with them, and it comes with pencil, a matte liquid lipstick, a gloss, and then the tube lipstick. I don't know what that has a better name than tube, but I can't think of it right now. But anyway, this is Nyma. If you are not familiar with her, she is a beautiful dark skin beauty influencer who talks a lot about inclusiveness in terms of these different brands with their different shades, etc., etc., etc. And so I was really excited when I saw that she was doing a collaboration with someone. I've actually never used any Dose of Colors products before, because I don't typically really like ordering makeup. Is not really my favorite thing. I like to put hands on it, but it was like, well, I mean, since it's her and I like how this stuff looks, let's get into it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get to it. We're gonna do just a simple face, which is the only thing I ever do. I don't even know why I felt like I needed to say that, because I only ever do a simple face. I'm a little worried. I'm a little worried about this tinted moisturizer, because so they had like a thing on their website, so you could try to figure out what your shade might be. But I had to order this because my local Target did not carry it. So I don't know what this color match is about to be for me. Oh, but it looks pretty okay on my hand. Can you see that? And then when I rub it in, oh, that seems to dry down pretty nice. You can't even really see it. You can't see the ashiness on my hands. Sorry. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe that off, just using a makeup wipe. There's nothing on my face right now. I did, I've washed my face, moisturized. I did put on a moisturizer that has SPF in it. And this has a little bit of SPF in it. This has SPF 11, which is good. I just recently started using an SPF because I'm trying to fade like some of, like I've got acne scarring and stuff like that. And I've been working on it. So let's see. All right, so I got y'all all up on me now. I should have brought a mirror in here with me, but I've got my screen on my camera. So we're gonna see. I've seen a lot of people do this with their hands, but I don't really like putting my makeup on my hands. So, and I know with moisturizer, you should be able to do it with your hands, but again, it's just not my preference. So we're gonna use a brush, and I might have to might have to get a little more to build. I think I might not be liking around my hairline very much. I've got a bit of tan line. I'm trying to do some correction for my hairline, so I've got a bit of a tan line right there, just from where hair was there and now it's not, because I just got a haircut. Just got my brows done for the first time since January. It had been a while. It had been a while since I went and got them done, and I had been jacking them up. So I'm sorry, I gotta look. I'm trying to see. I like the coverage. It's a light coverage. I like I'm a tiny bit shiny, but that's not the fault of the product. I was already shiny because I have oily skin. But I think I'm gonna build a tiny bit more, just because I know that the brush, and I think I am gonna go with my hands. It dries down really smooth. It soaks in really nicely, I feel like. And it's a nice amount of light coverage. Good for, just running out. You don't need a full face or anything like that. So I will probably use this a lot, because that's exactly my type of height. Let me put some glasses on so I can really see. Yeah, I think that looks really nice. I think that looks really pretty. I am going to use a tiny bit of concealer to bring some dimension back into my face. Like, I'm under the light now, so it probably looks fine to y'all because I'm under this bright light. But okay. Then I'm gonna come back through with the brush. And then I'm gonna come back through with the brush too. All right, now I can see it, and I think that looks really pretty. I've got a bit of demarcation around here, but again, that's from getting my hair cut. So I might have a little work. I might have to go around with some bronzer to kind of blend that back in. But I think that looks really pretty, and I could honestly stop there. But I do want to see what this brow product is talking about. So let me open this up and we're gonna see. All right, so now I have their quick draw, what are they calling it? Quick draw 2-in-1 brow gel and pencil. On this side, you pull, and there is, focus for me. I don't want to focus because it's following my face, but there is the brow, the pencil part. And then on the other side is, you have to unscrew, and there is there is that on the other side. Okay, so because I just got my brows done, there's really not a ton for me to do. I do like to kind of and that's really nice. Hey. So I did also the concealer that you guys saw me using was the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, and then I'm using Benefit Roller Lash for the mascara. So really should have brought a mirror, but we gotta make it work with this little viewfinder. Can we see the difference? Let's see if it'll focus. I've not yet mastered falsies, so mascara has to do the trick for me, and I just got that all over my eyelid. I'll fix it. I'll fix it here in a little bit. All right. So that is done, and now time for this baby. So I'm gonna try all of the lip products, but I'm gonna start with the liner. The liner is chocolate chip. That's what they're telling me for the color. Dose of Colors, where'd it go? Chocolate chip. And look at Nyma's name on it. All right, so all right, I've got like some little chapstick on, so let me dry it off. So far I really like the color. It's a nice brown, a nice true brown. Y'all have to remember, I am by no means a professional at this makeup stuff. I just be doing stuff. So don't come for me if I'm not doing this right, because I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the matte. What color are they saying this is? Like to See It is the color name. And all right, let's see. Okay. Y'all know I like a good dark brown, a good vampy lip, and oh, that's kind of it. I gotta what's my, I'm always bad at not being able to get a lipstick to stick to that little part of my lip. Okay, that's a little better. So it's a matte color, but it's not, I don't feel dry. Like if you guys watched me talk about makeup before, y'all know I don't like the NARS matte lippies, because like they suck all that moisture out of you. And I'm not really feeling that with this one, so I like that. I really like the color. This would actually make me go back to Dose of Colors to see what other colors they have, but this is definitely, like, I'm definitely into this. Maybe not for spring. For me, I tend to go a little bit like brighter, a little lighter, but once winter comes around, oh baby, yes. Or not even winter, but fall, oh yes ma'am. So I'm not gonna use the liner before the gloss. I'm just gonna dive right into it. Sorry. See, okay. This is giving me what I thought some of the NYX colors were gonna give me. Like, this is giving it. This is giving it. Oh, that's like a perfect everyday gloss. Very into that. She will be going into my purse. What was her name? Egen? I don't know what that means. I don't know what that means, but it looks good though. Let's see if I can get myself out of the way. And then now I'm gonna wipe off one more time, and we're gonna try the lipstick, the tube lipstick. I know there's a better name for it. I'm gonna look up and see what I'm actually supposed to be calling that here in just a second. Lost some of my Okay, so this and the packaging is so pretty. This is the lipstick. It is called Penny. It's the color name. And she is giving me very much, she's giving me nude. So let me see. Okay, on its own, that is too light for me. But let's see what happens when we line it. Okay, so I wasn't sure about Penny at first, but with the liner, you get the little ombre going on. Penny is giving what she's supposed to give. Yeah, I'm into it. I actually really like this. I think that's really pretty. So I'm excited about that. And I'm actually going to keep this on because what I am about to do next is I have other video footage to film. There was another part of the reason why I was holding off on doing this video, because I didn't want to do my makeup just because. I wanted to do it when I needed it done. And what I would need it done for is when I am making more video content for the channel. So overall, I would recommend all of these products. I would recommend everything. The lip bar, just the tinted moisturizer, very nice. My skin feels nice. My skin feels hydrated. Plus it has that bit of SPF factor. The moisturizer that I use is actually the CeraVe moisturizer. So it had an SPF of 30, and then I get to add this on top of that. So my skin is protected while I'm trying to, you know, very lightweight coverage, and my skin is protected while I'm trying to fade like my little acne scars and stuff. The brow, the 2-in-1 brow gel, I did not use the pencil. But I don't anticipate really having any issues out of the pencil. The gel was great. Like, it gave me this little bit that I needed to just kind of fill myself in kind of at the beginnings of my brows, and very happy with that. And then all the lip products from the Dose of Colors Nyma Tang collection, very into it. This was actually called the Nude lip set, so I'm into it. I'm sold on all of it. Like, I would recommend all of it, even the mascara, even though that's not what we were here for today. But that was the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. I really like it. And I guess that's it. Beauty content is not like my forte, but again, planning makeup and all of this is stuff that I really love and really enjoy. And so I want this channel to be a place where I can share all of the stuff that I really like and enjoy. So have you guys tried any of this stuff? Have you guys tried anything from Dose of Colors? Anything from the lip bar? I've talked about the lip bar before. I talked about liking their lip products, but this is my first time with their tinted moisturizer. This is actually the first tinted moisturizer I've tried that I actually liked. So yeah, doing something good. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and let this go. I think I have talked long enough about not books, and now it's time for me to go film a video that is about books. Bye.